Today, let's talk about why you're stuck at a band 6.5 or maybe at a band 6. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to fix it. And I know you've been grinding for weeks and you've been practicing a ton and you've been taking a lot of practice exams. You've been watching every YouTube video. But can really feel you. But no matter what you do, your IELTS writing score, for example, is stuck at a band 5.5 or 6.5. If that sounds familiar, you can continue watching this video. And let me tell you the harsh truth. Most IELTS courses will not tell you this, but personalized feedback is actually what makes or breaks your IELTS score. A lot of IELTS courses will tell you they are video based, just a couple of videos where they explain some generic IELTS advice, and that doesn't work. You don't just need strategies and question types based practice for IELTS, you also need feedback on your writing and speaking. And this is how you actually improve your IELTS score. You improve by analyzing your mistakes, by knowing what to do and what not to do. And that's exactly what stopped a ton of students from getting in band 7 plus. And that's why 90% of IELTS courses fail. That is the exact same thing. So they usually give you templates, generic advice, and they tell you just to practice more. And they just give you the one thing, they don't actually give you that one thing that you need, which is personalized feedback. And I honestly understand, and I know exactly how frustrating this feels. You buy a $300 or a $500 course, and there's just video-based courses filled with generic advice. And you do everything there, but when you finally get your results, your dreams of studying abroad or getting into your dream university or working abroad or getting a job that you want gets delayed again and again because you failed your IELTS test. And I honestly know how it feels like. And usually IELTS writing and speaking are not just about knowing English. It's just not about knowing English. IELTS writing and speaking, they also test your coherence, lexical resource, task achievements, and the way you improve those areas in those areas is by expert feedback. Someone who actually got a high score on the IELTS exam. And the truth is, without analyzing your mistakes, without knowing, without being aware of your own mistakes in your IELTS, in speaking, and in your IELTS writing test, you will keep making the same mistakes over and over and over again. And I don't want you to make those same mistakes again and again. And let's imagine, what if you could see exactly what your mistakes are in every single week? What if you had a personalized coach that will help you prepare for IELTS and get your dream IELTS results? What if you had an IELTS expert showing you step by step how to solve IELTS listening, IELTS reading, and give you personalized feedback for your writing and speaking every single week? What if you had a program that allows you to finally hit a band 7 or above in the IELTS exam? And that's why I created the IELTS Accelerator Academy. It's not just another IELTS course. It's the only program that really combines world-class IELTS training, video courses with direct feedback and weekly coaching calls. And there will also be direct feedback on your writing and speaking tests every single week so that you can get the score that you want. And let me tell you how it works. If you join this program, you can get structured, step-by-step plans that really break down exactly what examiners look for in all four sections. You submit your essays and speaking recordings every single week, and I will give feedback uh, for your specific writing essays and speaking recordings. And I will give you, and you will be able to understand and learn the exact tweaks that are needed to go from band 6 to band 7 plus. And this exact same method has helped me to get a band 8 in the IELTS exam just a few years ago. I literally knew nothing in English. And this system, by understanding the test structure, understanding the passages, and by getting feedback, I was able to improve my score to band 8 at the age of 16 as a non-native speaker. And there are a ton of stuff that native speakers get for granted, but non-native speakers don't actually get for granted. So that's why it's really important to learn about them as well. And here the catch. I can only get a very limited number of students because I will be giving personalized feedback, and unlike most of the other courses, I actually review your work. So if you want it, you need to act really fast. And here's the link below, and you can secure your spots, and let's get you to your dream IELTS